The subject is, my name is Mr. K. My name is Mr. K. And Mr. K, I am lucky, Mr. K. Who are you, Mr. K? Or Mr. K? Who do you want to talk with, Mr. K or Mr. K? I am Mr. K. But Mr. K, my name spelling is K. K for king, A for apple, and Y for ear. Mr. K, spelling is G. G for girl, A for apple, and Y for ear. Please don't mix up and confuse. I am Mr. K. I meet Mr. Ben driving to see the band. Going to the band. Mr. K is there waiting for Mr. K and Mr. Ben going together to the band. Who are you? Are you Mr. K? I am Mr. K. I am an artist. You are specialist for lady or another K. I am lucky Mr. K. Many K and many K. My mom call me lovely K and ask me, you like K or Mr. K? I am lucky Mr. K. I wear an logo t-shirt every day. Every day, everyone calls me Mr. K. I told them my name is Mr. K. I am an artist. I am not gay. I am Mr. K. No, I am not Mr. K. I am not a specialist for ladies or for gay. You better contact Mr. K. Mr. K is very happy. I call Mr. K. Not everyone call Mr. K or Mr. K. You want to call me Mr. K or Mr. K? I said to you, both are okay. You are not necessary to call Mr. K or Mr. K. Are there many call K or K? Are you still want to name us Mr. K or Mr. K? Mr. K also likes Mr. K. We are best friends, Mr. K and Mr. K and Mr. K.